Hey everyone, how's it going? Hope you're doing well. Today I have something really exciting to share. As you can see on the screen, the Cyber Finance bot has announced that it's prepping for its airdrop. Now, this bot has actually been around for a while, but even though we're a bit late to the party, we're still in time to catch a good part of the airdrop, and I'll show you exactly how. Before we dive in, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop by our Telegram group where I share all the latest updates even before they're up here on YouTube. The group is active, and either I or one of the admins will be there to help you out with any questions you might have. Alright, so today let's dive right into the Cyber Finance bot walkthrough. Don't worry, the process won't take long, and the bot is super straightforward. Let's take a look step by step. Once you open the bot, the interface is pretty simple. Starting with the basics, there's a referrals section where, if you invite friends, you'll earn 10% of their earnings. You also get 5,000 points for each friend who joins through your invite link. But honestly, these points from referrals aren't that significant compared to other earning opportunities in the bot. Now moving to the Earn section, this is where things get interesting. You'll find a list of tasks, each giving you points when completed. For example, one task offers 200,000 points just for joining their bot. I'll go ahead and do this one right in front of you, and there you go. My points have increased by 200,000 instantly. Another example, there's a task to link your wallet, and it gives a whopping 500,000 points. Plus, joining their 3 Telegram groups can get you 100,000 points per group. Once you've completed all the tasks in the Earn section, the next big thing is mining. As you can see, I'll be able to claim my mining rewards in another 9 hours. Right now, my hourly mining rate is 150 points. This rate depends on your hammer and timer levels, which you can upgrade. The hammer boosts your hourly rate, and the timer adjusts how often you need to check the bot to claim rewards. For example, my current mining rate is 150 points per hour. If I upgrade the hammer, I could boost that rate even more. Upgrading the timer allows you to go longer without checking the bot. Right now, I can claim every 10 hours. So I just open the bot twice a day, collect my rewards, and I'm all set. Once you've maxed out your mining rate and timer, I'd suggest leaving them at hammer level 26 and timer level 23 for the best balance. After completing the tasks and optimizing your mining rate, you can also join the community clan. I recently created a clan called Explainic, and you'll find the link to join in the description below. Now, once you've collected enough points and are ready to withdraw your tokens, head over to the Wallet section. Here, you'll need to create a new wallet, which will generate either 12 or 24 secret recovery words. Make sure you keep these words safe, as they are crucial for accessing your funds. And that's basically it. The bot is incredibly easy to use and really rewarding. Don't let this airdrop opportunity slip by. If you have any questions, come over to the Telegram group where we can help you out. And that's it. Take advantage of these final days to cover all your bases. The fewer mistakes you make, the better your chances. That's it for today's update. If there are any further updates or changes to this airdrop, I'll make sure to create another video to keep you all informed. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.